Now we're going to talk about time attendance. So first what we're going to need to do is set up our shift. So in order to go to shift, you go to human resource and look for shift settings. If you do not see time attendance options here, make sure you check your subscription portal. Top right, click on subscription portal, go over to manage and activate time attendance. So once that's done, you can go back to your system, refresh the page, and time attendance is here. So first go to shift maintenance and you'll be able to create a new shift. Top right, add new, and in this shift maintenance you'll be able to create shifts and set up different rules and codes. For example, maybe I have an office, so this is office staff. All right, so for office staff only. Next, you have the OT rounding time. So the OT rounding time is usually advisable to set a 30 minutes. So for example, if the employee clocks out at 6:45 p.m., the shift out time will be rounded to 6 p.m. So the employees will be paid for 30 minutes of overtime. Next, you can choose a different color. So this will be displayed on the shift in the calendars and all that. So you can choose different colors. Next, you can set in the in and out time. All right, so if your office starts at 9 a.m., you key in 9 a.m. and you have the option to set a late in buffer. So what this means is that you have the buffer of 15 minutes. Let's say your employees clock in at 6:14, 6:10, they are not considered as late. However, if they clock in at 6:16, which is 1 minute after the buffer, so they will be considered as late. The system will mark them as late. And finally, you have the option to put in an absent buffer as well. So you can put up to 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. So if employees clocking in at 10:01, they will be considered as absent. So this can be filled in or leave it blank if you do not want to have any buffer available. Next, you have break times. So we have three different sessions for break time. So you can have it enough for lunch, tea breaks, maybe prayer breaks as well. So fill in your break time, or you can leave it blank if you do not have a break time or your employees are not required to clock out. And finally, the clock out timing. So this key in, example, 6 p.m. So once you're done, remember to click on save as well. So done. We do have our shift maintenance set for our office staff. If you have anything else, click on add new and create another.